Shot, come out for a bow hunt with my mate Josh, got into a few gates and yeah, let me shoot this one. It was quite a high beachy on this side and come out just through the shoulder blade, coming through the lung with the heavy sticks and that demon broadhead. These are some new broadheads I've been running for quite a while now and really doing the job on the goats and a few other animals. And yeah, probably didn't make it far at all. But yeah, Josh forgot his release day, so we can get him. Yeah. Hopefully we can get it done.
Yeah.
With Josh, not too bad head on him, probably close to 20 inch, and yeah, big old Billy down in this gully. He's been eating a lot of grass with these other goats, so he thought we'll come and get him and just hit him about there on the other side of the net broadhead, and got up there in the engine room and done the job. Didn't make it too far, did a few circles and died, and yeah, one of the biggest bodied goats I've shot in a while, so probably about 120 pounder. Yeah, pretty stoked. Here's the billy I just shot with Josh today on our bow hunt. What's that, 4th goat?
Yeah.
It was a pretty decent one, and he's come down here and wedged himself in. Good frothy blood there. Hit him a bit high because I was a bit shaky on the shot because I was pretty excited. It was pretty decent billy, first time I got in a while, and just hold that. I'll just try to get in there. Don't want to fall in.
Yeah.
I'll probably end up rolling maybe. Oh. Nah, I think I'm gonna have to get in there. Billy I just shot today with Josh. Pretty lucky to get him. I hit him pretty high on this side, 30 yards. There's a nice stalk down this little gut, and we got in there and there's plenty of goats around. We just had to stay where we were, and I just snuck in a bit closer. Got him there. Came out on the opposite side. Got him through the lungs, and he made it down into this gorge down here and got himself wedged in there. Had to climb in there and get him out. But nah, it's all pretty good, eh? Pretty fun day with Josh. And scared a couple goats. 4th goat for you day. Pretty stoked with this billy. He'd be 22 inches, I'd say. Be the one I've shot recently anyway. There's another big one out in the bottom, and we're going to go try to get some good footage of him and see how it goes. Thanks.